Rihlatul Quran Academy is a journey that takes Muslims all over the world to learn Arabic, recite the Holy Quran, and understand Islam.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا محمد.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
كيف حالك اليوم؟
بخير والحمد لله وأنت.
اليوم سنتحدث إن شاء الله about Arabic language and we will describe the difference الفرق بين ما and من. Can you tell us what is the difference between ما هذا and من هذا please?
ما هذا is to describe a thing, while من هذا is to describe someone.
That's why it says ما هذا and the answer
is هذا ديك.
and here it says من هذا and the answer
هذا مدرس.
Can we say here ما هذا?
No,
Why?
because it's a person, not thing.
Also, this is the second lesson that we will start, inshallah, the difference between هذا and ذلك. How we use هذا? We use هذا for something near or far?
We use هذا for things that are close.
Close, near. What about something far? We should say
وذلك.
ذلك. That's why. Can you read these two and tell us what does it mean, please?
هذا مسجد وذلك بيت.
Why it says هذا مسجد and ذلك بيت?
Because because the masjid is close and the bait is far.
MashaAllah. Can you read the next one, please? هذا حصان.
هذا حصان وذلك حمار. حمار.
Why it says هذا حصان?
Because the horse is close.
And هذا ذلك حمار because
the donkey is far.
Excellent. من هذا ومن ذلك? Can you say
هذا
وما ذلك?
It's talking about who?
Two people, two persons, right?
Yeah.
That's why he used man. Can we use ma?
No.
We cannot. Why? Because ma we use it for what?
We use it for things.
Right. من هذا ومن ذلك? Can you recite? Can you read now and tell us why it says هذا and ذلك?
Okay. هذا مدرس وذلك إمام.
What does it mean?
For هذا مدرس, it means the teacher is close.
Great.
And for وذلك إمام, it means the imam is far.
Do you know who's imam?
It's the leader of a mosque.
Okay, can you read next one, please?
ما ذلك ذلك حجر.
حجر. Do you know what I mean of حجر?
It means rock.
Rock. Do you remember the rock of the people of the elephant?
Yeah.
What happened? Can you tell us?
So the rock, if one of the birds dropped a rock on an elephant, the entire army would die.
And this is the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect his house. These are new vocabulary, Muhammad. What does the imam means?
The leader of a mosque.
What does hajar means?
A rock.
What is sukkar?
It's
sugar.
Sugar.
What is laban?
Milk.
Do you remember that the naqatullah, that is the camel, the female camel that Allah sent to people of Thamud?
Yeah.
What happened? Can you tell us?
So They slaughtered the camel.
Mhm.
They slaughtered the camel
Why is they slaughter the camel?
because they didn't believe in Salah and they wanted the idols and they wanted to become rich.
Excellent. What happened after they slaughtered the camel?
They had 3 days to live.
And then?
In the first day they became dark yellow. In the second day they became dark red, and on the third day they became pitch black, and on the fourth day they died.
What difference here? The third verse we talked about, Ya Muhammad, Bayt and Al-Bayt. What is the difference between both of them?
Okay, so Bayt, it just means house. Al-Bayt means the house.
Great. And?
Kitabun just means book, and Al-Kitabun means, Al-Kitabu, Al-Kitab means the book.
Great. Can you read that, please, and tell us what does it mean?
Al-Babun muftuhun.
الباب مفتوح.
It means the door is open.
Right. The above one?
Al-Qalamu maksurun.
Means?
It means the pen is broken.
Great. What about that picture?
Al-Waladu jalisu.
Listen.
Yeah. The child is sitting down.
Right.
And
المدرس
والمدرسون واقف means the teacher is standing.
Fascinating. Excellent. Can you please help me to fill
Match it.
space? No, not match.
Okay, sir.
Fill the space.
Al-Hajarun
Is it heavy or ثقيل or light خفيف?
It's heavy.
So الحجر
ثقيل.
The door. الباب.
Al-Babu it's open.
Open. What is open in Arabic?
مفتوح.
Excellent. القمر, the moon.
The moon is gray, so it's
beautiful.
Jamil.
جميل.
Jamilun.
The paper, is it heavy or
It's light.
Light, right?
So it's khafifun.
Excellent. What is اللبن?
The leban is hot. So harrun.
اللبن, what does it mean in English?
Milk.
Milk. So the milk is hot.
Yeah. Al-Mendilu is water. No, toilet paper. It's toilet paper. No, it's tissue.
Tissue is?
And tissue is like dirty. So it's wasikhun.
واسخون. ما شاء الله يا محمد تبارك الرحمن. أسأل الله العلي العظيم أن يبارك فيك يا أحمد يا محمد وأن يجعلك ذخرا لوالديك وأن يرزقك بحفظ القرآن يا King. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make you among the حفظة القرآن. And thank you for today. And next time, inshallah, we will continue for the Arabic and the Quran. The next episode of your Quran and Arabic. Salamullahi alaykum wa rahmatuhu wa barakatuhu ya Muhammad.
Wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Would you like to learn Arabic or teach your kids and family the Arabic and Quran? Join us.
رحلة القرآن Academy, your Quran and Arabic journey starts here.
To learn Arabic, recite the Holy Quran and be knowledgeable about Islam, just join Rihlatul Qurani Academy. Visit our site rihlatulqurani.com and follow us on social media sites. YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram, and why. رحلة القرآن, your Quran and Arabic journey starts here.